Hello, friends. The question is, have you felt that your legs no longer have the same strength? Do the tasks that you used to do easily now feel difficult? Does climbing stairs feel like a challenge? Or do you even struggle to get up from your favorite chair? If so, you are not alone. According to a CDC report, 25% of people over the age of 65 in the US struggle with leg weakness, and this becomes the biggest reason for losing their independence. It is a common problem, but the solution can be just as simple. The surprising thing is that scientists at Johns Hopkins University have recently discovered that just 3 common foods can be more effective than medication in strengthening muscles. How would it feel to know that your own kitchen can help you regain your strength? Stay with me for the next few minutes, because today we will talk about those 3 foods that can rebuild your leg strength and maybe even make you forget your age. But before that, I want to know which city or country you are watching this video from. Be sure to comment below. Your comment might help us understand how many people worldwide are facing this issue. Also, if you want us to keep bringing you more useful, science-backed health tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's as easy as pressing a button, but it gives us the motivation to bring you even more amazing information. So let's get started and discover the 3 incredible foods that can make your legs strong again. Why do legs fail? Have you ever wondered why the stairs you used to climb effortlessly a few years ago now feel like a mountain? Or why the chair you could sit on for hours now makes getting up a challenge? Let me tell you the truth. After the age of 50, American seniors lose 5% of their muscle mass every decade. And this is not just because of aging. The real culprit is sarcopenia. It may sound like a fancy term, but in reality, it is a slow process that weakens your muscles over time. Your legs begin to lose stability, and one day you realize that you no longer have the strength you once did. But here's the biggest shock. In 2024, scientists at UCLA discovered that the main culprit is not just aging, but what's on your plate. Yes, processed food, the same fast food, ready-to-eat snacks and microwave meals that seem convenient. These foods drain magnesium and vitamin D from your body, gradually weakening your legs, and if you live in Minnesota, Maine, or any other cold state, the risk is even higher. The lack of sunlight leads to severe vitamin D deficiency, making your legs even weaker and more unstable. This will continue silently until one day you find yourself struggling to stay on your feet. But the good news is that preventing this is as easy as spreading jam on toast. Meet Bob, 65, Florida. 2 years ago, Bob struggled to step outside his house. Climbing stairs was difficult and walking in the park was impossible. Walking without a walker was out of the question. And today, he teaches line dancing every week and walks 10,000 steps daily without stopping. So, what did Bob do that you can also follow? No expensive therapy, no complicated workouts, just 3 simple foods that are already in your kitchen. Now the real question is, do you also want to regain the strength in your legs like Bob? Then, in the next section, learn about the first superfood that can rebuild your muscles and restore your strength. Food number 1. Not steak, not expensive protein shakes, just beans. If you think that strong muscles require only steak, expensive protein shakes, or supplements, think again. The real secret to strength lies in beans. Black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas. These tiny powerhouses provide 30% more muscle-building protein than chicken. Plus, the magnesium in them activates your nerves, improving leg strength and balance. A groundbreaking study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2023 revealed that seniors who ate just half a cup of beans daily gained 2.4 pounds of leg muscle in just 8 weeks, without any gym training. Take Nancy from Texas, for example. Walking was becoming a struggle for her, but she started adding black beans to her omelette for breakfast. Just a few weeks later, her grandkids laughed and said, "Grandma beats us at the mall." So if you want to rebuild your leg strength without expensive supplements, make sure to add some beans to your plate next time. And now let's move on to the second superfood that can make your legs even stronger. Food number 2. The protector of bones and muscles. Do you think leg strength depends only on muscles? In reality, it's a game of two things, muscles and bones. And for both, the most essential superfood is vitamin D. You may have heard that vitamin D strengthens bones, but that's only half the truth. Scientists have discovered that it also directly affects muscles. A deficiency of vitamin D can weaken your legs, disturb balance, and slow down your walking speed. This is why many seniors fear falling and gradually lose complete control over their legs. The shocking fact is that more than 50% of seniors living in Washington, Alaska, and other cold states suffer from a severe deficiency of vitamin D. According to the National Institute of Health, NIH, a lack of vitamin D can reduce leg strength by up to 40%. This is the primary reason why many elderly individuals fear falling and struggle to maintain balance. But the solution is simple. Including salmon fish and fortified grains in your diet can easily compensate for this deficiency. Salmon is not only an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, but also the most powerful natural source of vitamin D. Just 100 grams of salmon can fulfill your daily vitamin D requirement. But if you don't like fish, there's another easy solution: fortified foods. Fortified orange juice naturally contains vitamin D and calcium, which also help strengthen bones. Greek yogurt is rich in vitamin D and serves as a powerhouse of protein. A study from Boston University found that seniors with sufficient vitamin D levels walked 1.2 miles per hour faster than those with deficiencies. Now think about it. That's the difference between playing with your grandkids and just sitting on the porch watching them play. If you don't like fish, you can try a sunshine smoothie which includes fortified orange juice and Greek yogurt. Add this to your breakfast, and it can accelerate the process of strengthening your legs. Now the question is, are you ready to adopt this small habit? Because the next superfood can rebuild your muscles twice as fast as before. Let's move on to food number 3, which can help restore your leg strength even more efficiently. Food number 3. The secret weapon that 90% of people ignore. You may have heard that protein and calcium are essential for building strong muscles, but there's one secret weapon that 90% of people overlook. And that's the real reason behind their weakness. This powerful nutrient is omega-3 fatty acids. Now the question is, why is omega-3 so special? In reality, it is not just a healthy fat, but acts like duct tape for your nerves and muscles. Just like an old pipeline needs repairs to prevent leaks, omega-3 helps repair worn-out nerves, improves blood flow in muscles, and reduces joint stiffness. Now here's something fascinating. A 2024 Mayo Clinic trial made a surprising discovery. The study found that seniors who consumed an omega-3-rich diet improved their balance by 40%. This means they could stand on one leg for 10 seconds longer. You might be thinking, does that really matter? The difference is huge. Imagine not being able to balance on one leg. This greatly increases the risk of falling while putting on pants. These small warning signs indicate that your legs are gradually becoming weaker. Now, what is the best and most natural source of omega-3? The answer is walnuts. Walnuts are not just a snack, but a superfood for your nerves and muscles. 99% of the walnuts grown in the US come from California, and they are especially beneficial for people experiencing leg weakness or difficulty maintaining balance. But don't just take this as theory. Listen to the story of Carl, a 78-year-old from Michigan. Carl's doctor told him that due to nerve damage, he would suffer from pain for the rest of his life. But Carl made a simple change. He started adding walnuts to his oatmeal every morning. 3 months later, his doctor was shocked. Carl's nerve pain had disappeared, and walking became much easier for him. If your legs are feeling weak, if you experience pain while walking, or if balancing is becoming difficult, then make sure to include a handful of walnuts in your breakfast. This small change can completely transform your walking ability, balance, and nerve strength. So, are you ready to take this simple step towards stronger legs? New to the kitchen? No problem. Try these 4 easy and healthy recipes. If you're someone who doesn't spend much time in the kitchen, don't worry. Cooking for stronger legs doesn't have to be complicated. It can be quick and fun. Here are 4 simple and nutritious recipes that anyone can make without spending hours in the kitchen. Canned salmon tacos. A high-protein dinner in just 3 minutes. If you want an omega-3 and protein boost but don't like spending too much time cooking, canned salmon tacos are a perfect choice. Simply mix canned salmon with avocado, squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top, and fill it in a tortilla. In just 3 minutes, you have a light, nutritious, and protein-packed dinner ready. Why is this great for your legs? Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help strengthen muscles and bones, while avocado provides healthy fats and potassium, which reduce muscle cramps. Microwave quinoa bowl, superfood power in just 2 minutes. If you need a quick, healthy, and balanced meal, quinoa bowls are the way to go. Take 1 cup of cooked quinoa, add beans, frozen vegetables, and a drizzle of olive oil. Microwave for just 2 minutes, and your nutrient-rich meal is ready. Why is this great for your legs? Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Beans are high in muscle-building protein, while olive oil reduces inflammation, easing nerve and joint pain. Chia pudding. A healthy breakfast that prepares itself. Overnight. Want a nutritious breakfast without the hassle of cooking in the morning? Chia pudding is the perfect option. Mix 1/4 cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk, add some honey, and leave it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top it with your favorite fruits, and you have a delicious, nutrient-rich, and filling breakfast. Why is this great for your legs? Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3, and protein, which helps strengthen nerves and muscles, keeping them active and healthy. Walnut trail mix. A super snack for on the go. If you want a healthy snack but want to avoid processed foods, walnut trail mix is the perfect solution. Simply mix walnuts, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and dark chocolate chips, and enjoy a nutritious and tasty snack. Why is this great for your legs? Walnuts help repair nerves, pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, which relaxes muscles, and dark chocolate boosts brain function. This makes it a perfect snack for your heart, mind, and legs. If you thought healthy eating was complicated, try one of these 4 easy recipes. No extra effort, no extra time, just delicious, nutrient-packed meals that will keep your legs strong for years to come. Comment below. Which of these recipes are you going to try first? Your legs have served you, now it's your turn. Have you ever thought about how your legs have been your most loyal companions? They have taken you to new places, supported your family, carried the weight of your career, and maybe even served your country. But with age, their strength gradually declines. Now it's time to give back to them. But here's a question. Is leg weakness simply a result of aging, or is there something more to it? According to a 2023 study published in the Journal of Gerontology, more than 50% of muscle weakness in people over 70 is not just due to aging, but is largely caused by poor nutrition and a sedentary lifestyle. Similarly, a study by the National Institute on Aging found that seniors who engaged in just 10 minutes of light exercise daily were still able to walk independently even 5 years later. The most fascinating discovery comes from a 2018 experiment by Mayo Clinic, which revealed that even light physical activity can stimulate mitochondrial regeneration in muscle cells, essentially helping them restore energy and rebuild strength. This means that if you engage in simple daily movements, your muscles can repair themselves and become stronger than before. So, what small step will you take today to keep your legs strong and independent for years to come? Small changes, big impact. If you found this information helpful, share it with your bridge club, church group, or a senior friend. Together we can ensure that American seniors don't just bear the burden of aging, but live their lives with energy and confidence. Did you know that just 10 minutes of light activity every day can reduce the risk of falling by 30%? Scientific research shows that regular, simple movements help strengthen muscles, improve blood circulation, and keep bones healthy for years to come. If you want to keep your legs strong and walk independently without support, small daily habits can create a big difference. Whether you're watching Wheel of Fortune, reading the newspaper, or enjoying your morning coffee, light but effective movements can keep your nerves active, improve balance, and maintain muscle strength without any intense workouts. The future of your legs is in your hands. The small steps you take today will help maintain your mobility and independence for years to come. So, start today, take the first step towards stronger legs. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. This way, you'll receive more science-backed health tips and become part of this mission to keep your legs ageless and powerful. Remember, age is just a number, but keeping your legs strong is in your hands. Build the foundation for your future today, because strong legs are the key to an independent life.